Guys, welcome back. Here I am, Alex Alphazip Anime. We're back for another reaction, another episode of Chainsaw Man. Episode 4, guys. In our last episode, we saw that Power did Denji dirty, man. Like, she led him over to, like, Bat-Devil or whatever it was. You know, was gonna, like, let the Bat-Devil eat him, you know, just so she could, like, get her cat back. I don't know, like, the whole, like, backstory with that. I mean, I know, like, you know, the devil took a cat and everything, but, you know, I don't know if there's, like, more to that or not. But anyways, Denji came around with the chainsaw thing, and he just, you know, tore the Bat-Devil up. That was an awesome fight last episode. But anyways, guys, we're about to hop right back into it now. Please, if you do enjoy the content, guys, put a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on this show so far. I mean, last episode, it really, like, started to get me, like, hooked onto this show, like, to the point where I'm like, come on, like, man, like, let's get the next episode out, let's get the next, you know. Anyways, yeah, guys, so go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure you go and check out my Naruto Shippuden watch that I'm doing right now. And yeah, guys, check out the Patreon if you want to see this episode in full length, as well as all the Naruto Shippuden episodes. Shippuden episodes are on there a week ahead of YouTube, and, you know, these episodes, obviously, I'm not going to wait a week to post these to YouTube, so these are coming out, like, regularly. But anyways, guys, with all that being said, let's hop into the episode. Alright, let's do it. Jesus. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, cows. Oh, never mind. She's just tearing them things apart, man. Bears and all. So, I feel like she's gonna have, like, a different relationship with Denji now. Now that, you know, like, he got her cat back. But Denji is not a human. He's a demon. So I wonder if that, like, you know, changes things. Wait, so she waited that long to bring him a human? I feel like she could have gotten to him a little faster than that. What that's from? Present day? Oh yeah, that's right, she's in the demon's stomach. I forgot about that. So she's alive. That's right, man, because I forget that she got ate last episode. I don't know why. Because he wanted to fondle your boobs. Say it. Not to him, it's not. Oh, what are you gonna do, Denji? What the hell happened? He's not dead. Or is that another demon completely? He just lost an arm. He can't fondle breasts if he doesn't have arms. He ain't fleeing. Here he goes, round 2. So that's odd. Oh. So what's he gonna be able to do without his chainsaws? Goldos. I don't know if I say that right, but he's squaring up. I feel like we're about to see like a new power of his or something. Keep in mind, I haven't read the manga or anything, so no spoilers in the comments. If you've read the manga, you know. Damn. You don't know his determination. Okay, Denji. I wonder, so did they date or something? Is he gonna try again? 低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものね、コウモリ。全員本気なんだよ。No, what's he about to do? So what happened with his arm? Did that demon he's fighting now just get rid of it? Okay, so he can still do something with that little bit that he got out. Gotta murderize you? Obviously, Denji's not gonna die. I mean, he's holding his own with only, you know, working with what he's got. Someone's about to come and save him. Did she get bigger? I guess not. Is that no? Ooh, that went right through him. See, man, I called the. He said, "Go." I mean, that was one of the predictions I said. I said someone's about to come in and save him. Veterinarian for a thorough checkup. All right. I'm excited to hear what the outro is for this episode. Wow. Back to normal. Oh. She tried to kill you. Dang, so they're just watching them like that? But I thought she's a fiend, right? She's a devil with a human appearance or something. Oh yeah, he said he threw the car with that dude in. I completely forgot about that. He's not going to do anything. He's going to say to quit. Well, guess not. I'll keep it in mind. So what happens when he gets the final breath? What's his goal then? I mean, we can all take a guess, but I don't know. I like how he never gives like a definitive answer. No yes or no. Like, it's always, I'll keep that in mind, or I'll think about it. So she is a fiend. So he's going to talk to Mikama? She probably already knows about the whole situation. He's lying through his teeth. So what does no bullets in them prove? Oh. Oh, maybe she doesn't know. Yes, you have, because at first you wanted him to quit, and now you're covering for him. I don't know. I still think she knows. Mikama? I still think she knows what happened. This animation's wild. And then, you know, you see scenes like this, and it's like, oh, okay, it's normal. Wait, is Denji still staying with him? What a peaceful looking morning routine. Oh, he is still living with him. Okay. That's what I wonder about everyone around me. Still using every topping imaginable. Dude, how are people so responsible? That's just... Yeti. Power, I'm guessing. Power for sure. Yes! Oh, he's living with her? Oh, man. You're trying to read both of these subtitles and watch the show at the same time? I feel like I have a Sharingan, you know? Well, now he probably regrets covering for him. I bet she did. Oh my god. Oh man, you know he's gonna lose his mind. Imagine your boss calls you and says, hey, one of your coworkers is gonna live with you from now on. Shit devil. Oh my god. Look, and she knows his language. She knows what to do. Look at him. You know he's like about to faint right now. Commence. Well, watch. That's going to be his goal now, to get more squeezes. Look, and the other dude's probably outside just like listening in. He's probably like, oh my god. Well, they're about to end the episode. Alright, outro time. I can already tell you right now, this is not up in like the... This is probably going to be on the bottom. Unless it switches it up into something really nice. I'm not impressed. Maybe they're doing like banger, trasher, you know? So like the first one was a banger, second one was bad. This one, or the third one was a banger, and this one's bad. So I have high hopes for the next one. You know, if we're following our algorithm, the next one should be a banger. I'm not feeling this one. I do like the visuals. Like, you know, like I've always liked this like kind of anime, not like the animation style, but just like the creativity. No reason should an outro make me yawn. But anyways, all right, cool. So guys, that's it for episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. Now, this one was pretty much just wrapping up from the last one, right? I mean, yeah, we got the whole Leech-Devil in there, and, you know, we saw that Denji, if he's low on blood, he can't transform again. So that's probably a big thing to consider from now on. Once he goes back to his human form, he can't continue fighting. So I feel like that's going to be like a big handicap for him. But also, we saw that Himawara, or I forget, God, I cannot get his name right. I finally got Mikama's name right. Like, I can finally memorize it, but I cannot for the life of me remember that one dude's name. But he is starting to cover for Denji and Power to Mikama. The fact that he's starting to cover for them is showing that he's like, you know, they're growing on him, you know, and he was starting to get used to living with Denji, but now, you know, Power's moving in too. So, yeah, I mean, we're going to see what happens next episode. I'm assuming, like, you know, this wraps up like a little mini intro to the show, I guess. I don't know. You know, we're gonna have some more coming next week. But anyways, guys, I appreciate coming by to watch content. Please thumbs up on the video if you enjoy the content. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the show so far. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet, guys. Make sure you come and join me every single week for all these videos, as well as daily uploads of Naruto Shippuden right now. Check out the Patreon page if you do want to watch these episodes in full unedited. So you're gonna find that down in the link in the description. Please go and check that out. It sounds like something's gonna interest you. All my Shippuden videos uploaded to Patreon a week before my YouTube schedule, so make sure you go check it out. And guys, with all that being said, I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Peace.